welcome back to my channel. This is Debbie. In today's video, I have an unbagging, and this is from Diamond Art Gift, which is a discount company, and they reached out and asked me if I would like to review their products, and so I picked out a couple of things, and so let me show you what I've gotten, and I will have the description link as well as how much on all of these. I'm going to go ahead and move this. Okay, so the first one is, it's not a canvas. This is a frame. And so you can actually just slip your canvas in the frame, and it also comes with this little, you can hang it, and you'll hang it on the sides, and then you can put this little tassel on there. So I thought that was really cute. I can get it out right here. Sorry for all the crinkling. I know some of you do not like that. So I don't really have a canvas to put in here, but you would put a canvas in like this, and then you can just slide these two in. Looks like that one's, this is broken. So that's a problem. So anyway, I can use this without these little wooden pieces, which broke in transit. So I need to let them know about that. And then you can put this on the side, but I doubt that I will use those. But you just stick your canvas in. It can go either way. And so you can change your frame out. So that's really cute. Move that out of the way. And let's open the next one. And the next one can't roll it out a little bit. This is poured glue, so I'm able to roll it back or forward in order to straighten it out. I'm not planning on doing this anytime soon, so because of that, I can put this up and just let it lay flat, and then it'll be fine. But I got a little winter gnome. I thought he was really cute. There are 20 colors. The schematic is on both sides. It is a 30 by 40. It's very sticky, but I thought he'd be really cute to do in January or even December, because he could even be a Christmas gnome. And let's look at let's see, we have a boat, a plate of wax, and then a single placer. And this is round. I don't know if I've gotten any squares from them. I don't think that I have. So let's open this up and let's look at the drills. There's going to be, it looks like, I'm assuming, this is going to be white. That's going to be, let's see, let's just look. Yes. That's going to be white for the background for snow. So there's a lot of white there. We have a few colors here. Looks like it may be a little bit of a glare. I'm trying to use natural light today, and I don't know how well it's coming across. That's a really pretty yellow. We have some pinks there. There's quite a bit of pink in that. Some dark greens. This one's really pretty. These do not have the DMC numbers on the bags, which is fine with me. They do have the DMC numbers on the schematic. There's a little hitchhiker there. We have 3 of the white, which is, looks like 3865. So that's going to be quite a bit. It won't take very long because this is a lot of color blocking. All of his beard, for the most part, is going to be color blocking. as well as the snow and then the sky up here. So it should not take long at all. The bags do have the number of the kit. This kit is DG131. So on the bags, it has DG131 that corresponds to the number up here. So if you do not store your drills with your canvas, you can easily find it, which is what I do. So I'll go ahead and just show you, maybe that might be a little better so you can see it. But that one's really cute. So I'm gonna move this one over to the side. And then I'm gonna open this one. I just had, okay, so they were right next to me. I knew I just had my scissors. So let's open this one. And I will let them know that the little dowel part of the frame has busted. Okay, so this canvas is actually more stiff than the other one. The other one wasn't stiff at all, but this one doesn't even want to bend backwards. I'm sure it'll be fine once I put it under something. But this one is a really cute penguin. So now I have two that I can work on for the winter. This one has 24 colors and it's a 30 by 40. The schematic is again on both sides. And let's see, let's look up here. This is really good and sticky. The background on this one is going to be a lot of yellow. Let's see, let's look at the drills. I can find the end. I have to cut in, I don't see where the end is. They've got this wrapped around several times. Here we go. Diamond Art Gifts drills are really good. Again, this one is another round. Let's see. All right, so we have, these are really pretty colors as well. Wow, there's a lot of pinks and yellows. This looks kind of Eastery. I love that pink. This pink here, all these pinks. This is a large yellow that's gonna go in the background. Some more pink. Let's just go through here and show you all these really pretty drills. I don't see any issues. Of course, you can never tell till you start putting down drills. But I thought this one was really cute. I don't have that many winter smaller canvases, so that's one of the reasons why I wanted to get both of those. So there is that one, and I really like the little hat and his little feet. It's gonna be really cute. And then also the stars that are around him, and some of it looks like he's on snow. So this one's gonna be fun to do as well. So I will put the link underneath the description for both of these if you are interested. I have not, as of today, received a discount code from Diamond Art Gift, but if I do, I will be sure to put that underneath the description. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.